Hey lovely people, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Adjadka, and if you like my vibe, please like, share and subscribe. And today I'm here with another video of how to clean your washing machine. Yes, so I hope this will be really helpful as I'm also learning. So yeah, let's jump into the video. Put this for my dish soap.
Whoa, yeah, look at me dead in my eyes, I know that you know that a nigga ain't lying. Too much respect, all of my shorty BDs, they know not to try. Too much respect, I used to hand out CDs before they would buy. Whoa, she love me so much, it seem like she buys. Niggas don't know how I live, but that's cause they live it to high. Hey. 4L13, stepping on shit to the spot. He brought me the money sealed up, I still.
For this cleaning, you're going to need vinegar, dish detergent like a scrubber, and a small toothbrush. Yeah, so I'm going to add water here and a bit of dishwash, and then I'm going to shake it up. So I just added water and I'm going to shake this up. So this is my washing machine. What I'm going to do is remove this thing, press on gently on the blue thing so that I can remove this compartment, and then I'm going to soak it in water with vinegar and dishwash again, just for a while, so that I can start cleaning on this part. I've already put some water in a small bucket, and then I have my compartment already there, so I'm going to add some. I'm going to put this in definitely right small. So what I'm gonna do, just here, add some water, pour some tissue. Yeah, so what I'm going to do here is put some this for my dish soap. Add some vinegar and then add some water. Then I'm just going to let this cook up. So using my mixture of dish detergent, water and vinegar, I'm going to spray on the inside, and using this small toothbrush, I'm going to try and reach those small spaces that usually are not focused on. So they grab hold of my hand, and let's pretend the flow was ours. You say you don't really dance. Using the same mixture, I'm going to just spray it all along the machine and wipe it down. I'm going to give it a small scrub just to remove the thing that might be stubborn. Ouch, there's a lot of dust. And after that, I'm just gonna use flour and just wipe it. I'm gonna do the same on the outside and then take the machine. The rubber is the most important part in the machine, so we're going to make sure I give it a good scrub. You don't have to scrub the drum, but mine has been running overdue, so I'm just going to give it a quick scrub. After that, you now come to the soap dispense and clean it well. So now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna clean the machine filter. And I'm just gonna place that there to prevent the water flow. Just clean it up and first I'm gonna spray the area with the mixture of vinegar and clean that up. So after cleaning that part, I'm going to come in clean this other part. So I'm just from rinsing it, and I'm going to pop it back.
Straight to a penthouse, Miami Beach. Talk crazy on tweets. They don't want it cause I come to defeat. I peep, these niggas all sweet. Bamboo sticks all in the Jeep. It's a new weirdo every week. Get the work, put it up for my seeds. No care for the IG, just no care.
So to clean, I'm going to use half a cup of So to clean, I'm going to use half a cup of detergent. And I'm going to estimate a cup of vinegar. And I'm going to use the drum setting to clean. Yeah, so this is going to be about 1.5 hours. And so let's be back after 1.5 hours. So the drum is done. I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna make sure I go in at this rubber patch and make sure I try and get all the and dry it well, and maybe clean any residues that might have been stuck during the cleaning. Yeah, that's it. And I'm gonna leave this door open for like at least 2 hours so that the machine can air. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you've learned something. Yeah, so until next time, thank you for supporting me. Thank you for liking and sharing. And yeah, bye.